Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any photo into an aesthetic hand-drawn doodles edit using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI-powered creative platform that will help you to create any AI content like maybe AI talking photo, then avatar video, product showcase, AI designs, and many more. And in here, we will use this tool to create a creative AI image, the trendy hand-drawn doodle edit. And if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the description to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI. And in here, don't worry about the credit because Pippit AI has the free daily credits, so you can just try these platforms or this tool for free, 100% free. And then after that, just upload your image on here, the image that you want to transform like this. And then after that, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this, you can just copy my prompt and then just tweak it as you like. And then after that, just use your AI model in here. I will choose Trim 5 and then just use your ratio like this. And then just like that, just click submit and wait for the process. And okay, let's just take a look. Okay, like this, you can see it. I think the results looks cool like this. It's really cool. Your photo will transform into a aesthetic hand-drawn doodle edit that perfect for sharing on social media like this. I think yeah, it's so cool and beautiful. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.